Sound for the heart. Let's we can say together, Deep breath. If you can say louder, actually the sound, the frequency vibrant. That's really sound your heart frequencies. Okay, now open your eyes. What do you feel? Warm, relaxed whole body, Yeah.
I feel the palms of my hand.
Okay, feel what?
Something there, like in the palms of my hand.
Oh, feel something here?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very relaxed, So even just several minutes, our heart, you see the energy, like restore.